tiger. That tiger is known to jump over 20 feet. Oh my gosh, but it's okay. We are only 15 feet away, so he's gonna go ahead and jump right over us. We're now entering the sacred Indian elephant bathing pool. Did you folks know most elephants can grow up to 4 feet? Yes, they can. While the majority of humans can only grow up to 2. Yeah, it's very true, exactly, yeah. If you guys want to take any pictures, feel free to do so. Looks like they do have all of their trunks on this morning. Right over here we have Little Squirt. Everyone say hi, Little Squirt. Hi. Right over here we have Big Squirt. What is he doing? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Alright, so it looks like we just missed him. Hopefully he doesn't come up again. Oh no, he's coming up again. Look out, look out. I'm kidding, I'm kidding, I'm kidding. Ah! I'm just kidding. Oh yeah, a little bit of dry humor for you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh no. That's not good at all. Well, it looks like there's a lot of monkey business going on here. Not good, not good. But don't make any banana noises. They find it very appealing. Oh boy. That's not good at all. Well, what do you guys say we make like a banana and split? I agree, yeah, let's get out of here. Oh boy. Oh boy. Alrighty everyone, if you turn your attention to the left-hand side of the boat, you will see, yeah, right over there, you see, yep, absolutely nothing. Nothing at all. We're now approaching beautiful Schweitzer Falls, and there's only one thing to do. And that's turn right. Yeah. Now that we've made our return, everyone, we've now ended up on the Nile River. Did you guys know the Nile River is actually the longest river in the world? Yeah, it really is. And if you don't believe me, well, then you're probably in Africa. Yeah, yeah. Oh boy, folks, look at here. We're unlocked to the left-hand side of the boat. We have an African bull elephant. A little known fact, that elephant is actually the fastest animal in the world. Oh my gosh, folks, look, now he's over here. Wow. Oh my, isn't he quick? Yes, he is. Unbelievable. Wow. We're now approaching the Great African Belt, home to a wide variety of wildlife, as well as this beautiful granite waterfall to the right-hand side of the boat. Beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, it's a shame too many people take it for granted. Can anyone help me identify what those tall figures are toward the back? No, I was looking for very tall trees. Yeah. Oh, looks like that pride of lion right across the river have made their favorite catch, everyone. Zebra on the rocks. Oh boy, duck, 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 duck. Duck, right there, on the ledge. Yeah. Oh no. Oh, that's not good at all. Hey guys, it's okay, it could be worse. You could be a zebra. Oh my, well folks, that is also what I advise you to never get into an argument with a rhino. Do you guys know why? Because they always get their point across. Exactly, yeah. Well, now seems like a good time to point out some native plant species here in the jungle for you guys. Yeah, I hope you guys learned something. Oh no. Oh, that's not good at all, folks. We've now entered a dangerous pool of hippopotami. But the locals were actually advising you know that these hippos do blow bubbles and wiggle their ears to show signs of affection. Aren't they just so adorable? Oh no. Oh, that's not good at all, folks. Quick, cover your ears. I'm gonna try and scare them off. Alright, looks like that did the trick. Don't worry folks, don't worry at all. No, I didn't get anywhere near them. It's what we jungle cruise skippers like to call a hippo-shot-a-miss. Glad you guys are all having a lot of fun. Yeah, my last crew definitely had a lot of fun too, without a doubt. They really did, yeah. Oh my gosh, look at that. Speaking of my last crew, there they are. Still smiling. Well, looks like the locals are out celebrating something. Let me see if I can translate anything for us. No, not a chance. No, nothing at all, no. As we continue our journey through the jungle, please keep an eye out for any of the dangerous ambushes or trees on our road. Quick! Duck, 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 duck! Speeders, ricochet! anyone hit? No, nobody was hit? Alright, well if you were hit, unfortunately you have to throw back. We cannot take home any souvenirs. And now folks, the moment you've all been waiting for, the 8th wonder of the world, the amazing backside of water! Woo! Oh, 2-8! Oh, 2-8! Oh, 2-8! Ahead on the left. Yeah, right on top of that rock to the left. There we are, yeah. Oh, we've now turned onto the Amazon river basin, home to a wide variety of wildlife and beautiful plant species as well. But I was reading up though that these waters are actually infested with man-eating piranhas. Oh boy, oh no, oh there they are folks, let's get out of here, nothing good can come from that. Oh my gosh, look how dangerous it is. Oh boy, well listen children, you are okay, unfortunately these are only man-eating piranhas. Oh boy. Alright, we made it out safely, folks, no need to worry. Do you guys see that snake right behind us on that tree, right over there? Yep, that snake is actually a python. He is exactly 3.14159 meters long. Up ahead to the left, we have the head salesman of the jungle, Trader Sam, and his newest and best companion, Ellie. They say he likes her for the personality, but honestly, I think it's for the trunk space, yeah? Well, folks, we're now approaching the most dangerous part of our jungle cruise journey this morning, the return to civilization. As we approach the dock, please remain seated, keeping all hands, arms, feet, and legs inside of the boat, and please watch your children.
para ver.